Hello, good morning. If you've been watching Sam's Trains on YouTube, he's produced a little, maybe something for Halloween, but he made a little flatbed wagon with a pumpkin on it. He says if Horn can produce this is a low Mac flatbed wagon with a small Coca-Cola bottle on it. If Horn can make this, then Sam has made this. So I'll just get it, and Sam's got one of these. He's called it Rusty. I don't call this anything. So let's get this open. Well packaged. Little spares bag. It's like snowed. Now Sam's Train has made 145 of these. He 3D printed it. Even everything in this spare, all those bits there, he said he's 3D printed. And it's a pumpkin mobile. Well, Sam's Train's pumpkin mobile, and this is number 66 of 145 he's made. And it says thank you. You sign it, Sam's Trains. And what have we got inside? We've got a couple of couplings, a few other bits and pieces. He says he's even 3D printed this, but I think he didn't 3D print the wheels, but everything else on here is. And there's a, I don't think he's, well, there's 3 screws underneath. I don't know if you can quite see that. One there, one in the middle, and another one there. That's if you want to take the pumpkin off, and maybe this green top bit here, but I don't think I might do it, I don't know, but probably won't. And this looks like a disclaimer. It says this is a detailed scale model for an adult collector. Caution, not suitable for children under 14 years because of small parts which can present a choking hazard. Some components have some functional or sharp edges or points and should be handled with care. Please retain this information for future reference. Oh, there's some buffers in there as well. Let's get this spare bag open and see if I can fit some of the parts. I don't think I fit all the parts to it. Oh, I remember him saying you might have to super glue the buffers in because they do fit, but they just come straight out again. I should be able to fit these NEM pocket couplings. They should just click in. That's 1. That's 2. There are 5 buffers. There's 1 spare. I can't remember what he said what these were. I have to look at the video again, but something to do with brake rigging, I think, or something. Very delicate. There's that and that. Quite very thin. Very well made, but very good detail. Well done, Sam. I do like it, otherwise I wouldn't have bought it. I quite like the little smiley face on it. Well, let's do it up close. Hello and welcome to Midland Monsell Model Railway, the Triple MR for sure. All the details along the side there, all the bogey bits there to hold the wheels on. It looks like underneath. See all the planks along the bottom there. Nice little smiley face on it. Maybe I'll just I think they can clip in, but you're supposed to glue all these bits in, make it more train like. Now you can see the buffers on it. So let's give it one quick loop test. Let's give it a quick rolling test. Straight through the tunnel, so it rolled really well. That went all the way from about there, and all the way down through the tunnel to there. So it rolls really well. Now this is what I've decided to couple up on it with. This is what just happens to be on my layout. I've got the Hornby Centenary 040 number 100. That happens to be pulling a North Bitchburn coal wagon and a N. Hignley plank wagon, a London Brick Company wagon, and a cattle wagon, and coal flat and container wagon. And this just happens to come off. This just sits on here, not glued or anything. That comes off. That is supposed to happen. Let's get this coupled up, and let's get this. That has coupled up quite nicely. So let's get this going. Moving quite nicely. Through Headstone Tunnel. There's a Miller's Dale suspension bridge. Miller's suspension bridge, I call it really. That seems to be running quite well actually. No troubles. Stop it right there. Well, thank you very much, Sam. Quite a quirky little thing you've made there. No problems. Quite a fun little item as well. That's my quick review of Sam's Strange Pumpkin mobile wagon thing. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment below, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.